So friends, this is Hastech. All the access granted. It's the Zaap AQUA darkstar Bluetooth speaker, and we'll unbox it and give a first look. So without wasting a single moment, let's begin. So this is the box, and it has really good features and specifications. It has got a 10 watt Bluetooth speaker, and it is IPX4 certified, which is really good for this kind of speaker. With a good packing, looks really premium from the box. Thanks for choosing Zaap. And the user manual, it is a Zaap booklet with all of its products. Zaap really makes many products with a feedback kind of form. Let's keep it aside. With some user manual, which is of no use, and a warranty period. It has got 12 months of warranty. With a main speaker, AUX cable, and a micro USB cable. Yeah. And this is our main speaker. Upon the first impression, this looks really small, and we'll check its sound quality in a bit. So let's keep other things aside. Yeah, this is the Bluetooth speaker. It has got a Bluetooth button, a volume up and down button, and a button to change songs. And it is surrounded by grills with a good rubber foaming up and down side. This thing looks really well. Time to play some audio stuff.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
I can't actually show you the audio quality, but you can trust me on that. It has got really amazing audio quality, and it has got good bass, but it feels artificial bass. But for those bass lovers, this is simply amazing and a portable speaker, and the rubber grips can be removed for some cleaning purpose, or if you deal with water, just to make it calm. This is really a very simple and amazing build for this kind of speaker. Sound is really great, and the rubber grips are really of good quality, and it doesn't seem to be harmed very easily. Let's make them. So, this is a Bluetooth speaker. Let's apply some artificial bass radiators to make you guys realize what kind of bass it has got. about the major pros of this device. The major pros of this device is that it has got good bass with a 10 watt speaker and which sounds simply amazing, and it's very compact. And the major cons of this device, I really found nothing cons, but for original music lovers who doesn't like extra bass, then that's a con for them. The speaker is really fine, and it gives about 8 hours of playback time at 80% volume, and it's really a good speaker. Thanks for watching. Thanks Piyush for this.